Hi. In this video, we will see how we can plan a transport for invoiced material in simpliRP ERP. Go to Delivery Management. Schedule a transport for sales invoice. Select the dates range to view invoice list. Select the invoice. You will see the existing delivery schedule. In the pop-up window, you can select the from time and the to time for scheduling the delivery. Then you can select the vehicle for scheduling. Select the person who is responsible for this. Select the status. You can also enter the instructions in any language for the delivery person to easily understand. This will appear in Gate Pass. Then save the data. If you select the invoice again, you can see the status and respective data.
Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.